Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, Data Analyst. Today we are going to see 28th day of 30 days SQL challenge, and today is the one of the medium to R level question from SQLPatters.com. And before moving into that, if you guys have not yet subscribed to the channel, please do subscribe. It motivates me to create a content like this. Okay guys, let's see what they're asking for. All the patients who have gone through admissions can see their medical documents on our site. Those patients have given a temporary password at their first admission. Show the password and show the patient ID as well as the temporary password. The password must be the following order: patient ID, numerical length of the patient last name, and year of the patient's birth date. Okay, this is usually happens in our first login time, right? We will provide it with a temporary password in each and every login we done with some websites. Okay, uh, let's try to see the column we are having in the particular tables. Okay, we are having a two table patients and admission. Okay, we are having admission date. This is, I think this is the important date we need, as well as last name, patient ID, and the birth date. Okay, let's run the patients table, see what we have. Okay, the main thing we need to focus on is we are having around 430 results in from patients table, as well as we need to check what are the distinct counts of patients, because we need to know, okay, is there any duplicates do we have in the particular column, particular table. So for that I'm going to get a distinct of patient ID. By that we can able to find, is there any distinct, any duplicate values. Likewise, okay, we are having around 4530, similar to the number of rows, so there is no duplicates. At the same time I just want to check the same thing to admissions table. Okay, okay. If I do that, we will get around 5067 rows, and I try to do the same distinct count of patients. From 5067 we got around 3382, so it contains duplicate. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to use this admission table as my left table. So using that I'm going to join the patients table. The reason is, if you see, admission table contains duplicate columns, duplicate rows, which means the patient ID we are having multiple values. The particular patient can admit several times. It doesn't mean the particular patient should admit for one time, right? This is a common scenario. Okay, so I'm going to join the patients table to the admission table first. After that I'm going to perform the following operations. Okay, let's join. Okay, select all from patients, and I'm going to give alias name as A. Doing uh, left join patients as P. After that we need common column, right? For that, A dot patient's ID equals P dot patient ID. This is the common column we have. And yeah, this is all about the joining process. We are having only two tables. And after that, what they have asked is we need to show the patient ID and as well as the temporary password. So I'm going to get the patient ID, A dot patient ID, comma. They want a password. Password should have these constraints. For that, I'm going to use concat A dot patient ID, comma. They need the length of the last name. So last name presents in the patient's table, comma. Finally, they want the year of birth date. So I'm using a year function. Yeah, we have done with this. So still we are getting a incorrect solution. The reason is, you can see there are duplicate values present in patient ID, as well as we are expecting the duplicate number of passwords. So we don't need that, we only need a distinct value. So for that, what I'm using is distinct of patient's ID. Yeah, we got an output. Yes guys, this is a simple thing. Okay, let's see you in the next challenge guys. Bye bye.